Action, and welcome back to my channel, bitches, period. It feels so great to be back, period.
Ha ha ha, I'm back, bitches! Oh!
So for today's video, I'm going to be giving you 5 Instagram story hacks that I'm pretty sure you don't even know exist. I'm pretty sure a majority of you out there use Instagram, and what's the point of using Instagram if you can't use it to its full potential? And you can't use it to its full potential if you don't know about what you can do. So baby, I'm about to tell you what you can do. Before I get into the video, hit that subscribe button, make sure you like and comment on this video, and stay tuned for what's coming next. Because when I tell you I'm coming for you girls, I'm coming. So the first Instagram story hack that I have for you guys is unlimited colors. So what you want to go ahead and do is just go ahead and open up your story and go ahead and just take a picture. I'm pretty sure a majority of you know about, the colors they have down here for what you can do. But I'm pretty sure what you didn't know is that you can get more colors than this. All you have to do is go to any color on this little line, hold it down, and you have an array of colors that you can choose from. You have so much different things on the spectrum. It's ridiculous. And if you go to the other ones, it brings up other colors. And if you go to the other ones, it brings up more colors that you can just choose from. Moving on to hack number 2. Let's say, for instance, that you want to type something on, your Instagram story. You just can take any random picture, go to the paintbrush tool or the pen tool, choose any color you want. So say like we want red, and hold the screen down, and boom, you have a solid color background for your disposal. And in that, you can just go ahead and, type anything you want. And there you go. So for hack number 3, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add drop shadow text to your images. Majority of the time I use Strong. That's the text that I like the most. So all you have to do is go ahead and just type in whatever you want to type. We're going to go ahead and type in YouTube, and then go back in and type it again. Make sure it's the same size as when you typed. Change the color to, we're going to change it to, let's change it to black or gray, whatever. And just go ahead and move it a little bit. And boom, you have your drop shadow. Real simple and easy, right? So it goes without saying, if you want to make it a little bit bigger or smaller, you're gonna also have to size, you also gonna have to size the other one as well to make it fit perfectly. And there. So the next hack we're going to move on to is hack number 4, and that's how to get gradient colors on your text. Open up your Instagram story again, real simple and easy. Go ahead and just take a picture, and we're going to go ahead and let's just go ahead and make the solid background black. So after you do that, go ahead and add your text in there, whatever you want it to say. I'm going to go ahead and type in YouTube. After you do that, you're going to want to select the whole entire thing. So now, this is where it gets just a little bit tricky. So, go to your colors, open up your whole color spectrum. You can start wherever you want. I'm going to start around here. So you're going to pick whatever color you want to start with. You're going to want to move the color and the selection at kind of at the same time. I'm going to show you. So it's going to look like this. It's going to take a while to kind of master a little bit, but once you get the hang of it, it's really simple. And there you go. Got your gradient. It's not really that hard to master, but once you start messing around with the tools and how to do everything, then it just can come real easy. The last hack for your Instagram story that I'm going to be showing you guys today is number 5, which is how to make a collage on your Instagram story through Instagram. So what you want to do is you want to just go ahead and open up your gallery and just go to whatever picture you want. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose this picture. All you want to do is go to share it and copy it. After you copy it, go back to your Instagram story and, ooh, look, add sticker. Boom, right there. And then you can go back to another picture, go to share, copy, bloop, go right in there, add sticker. And then you can just keep going to add as many as you want. Real simple and real easy, right? Copy, boom, add sticker. It's really that simple. Really that simple. Really. And then you can just, you know, ask your followers, which one? Question mark. And they'll tell you. It's really that simple. There's one more bonus hack that I want to show you guys about your Instagram story. So we're going to take a picture, okay? Cool, cool. Now, I look terrible. So now we're going to go and make a solid background for the entire thing. Now, we're going to go to the eraser tool. And now you can give a little hidden little picture in your story. Isn't that cool? Like, you could do whatever you want. You could draw on it, give a little sneak peek if you wanted to. Well, that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed these 5 hacks for your Instagram story. I hope they come in handy one day. There are so many things out there on social media that you can do that really no one knows about. And hopefully this helps you get a little more creative with your Instagram. If you think it's any Instagram hacks that I may have missed in this video, leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Why? Because I'm popping and you're popping and we can get this popping together, period. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Wait, hold on, I ain't done yet.